Ito ang Hulo. Kung makikita ninyo, nandoon ang pinaka landmark ng Hulo, ang Central Mosque of Hulo, in which dito sa ating area makikita nyo ang island of Tahil doon sa dulo. Ito naman sa kabila, yung nasa dulo banda roon, that is the Bubuan, and this is the background of Hulo. As you can see, it is full of fruit trees, especially coconuts, and on our what we're going to focus, ito naman ay isa sa mga schools ng community. So this is the main city of Hulo, as you can see.